So, I welcome you to the lecture series on practical image processing using OpenCV Python and myself, Dr. Bora. And in today's lecture, we will go through an edge detection technique. And I hope you are already aware with this edge detection technique because in my digital image processing lectures, that is the technical one, not the theoretical, means practical one. Okay, where I have already discussed this technical terminologies, means edge and different edge detection techniques. So I suggest that at least go through those lectures from the edge detection part, and that will help you to understand this lecture more clearly. Okay. So, as this is the practical section, I will be stick to the practical implementation of that method. So, today's lecture topic is how to detect edges using Canny edge detection. Canny edge detector. You see, this will be our input image. That is a very beautiful image of our very own Majuli Island. Okay, one aerial image I have taken, and I would like to thank the person who have collected this image. So, Majuli Island, you all know the world's largest island, and you know that the largest river island district. Okay, so through this Canny edge detector, we'll try to detect the edges of this particular Majuli Island image. So after going through the Canny edge detector, I'll go get an output. We'll get an output like this, and the edges are very sharply visible here, and they are very distinct. So we can recognize the important regions out of it. So let's start. So Canny method. You should know that Canny method, and to detect the edges in an image, we use this Canny method from CV2, and it implements Canny edge detector. So my first question for this lecture is that tell me at least one important characteristics of Canny edge detector. Okay, comment your answer. So the Canny edge detector is also known as optimal detector. The question is why. You will comment the answer. So the syntax for the Canny is cv2 dot Canny image comma min val comma maxi max val. Okay. So min val and max val, these are very important. And image, you know, our input image. So this min val and max val are the minimum and maximum intensity gradient values respectively. Okay, min val stands for the minimum intensity gradient value and max val stands for the maximum intensity gradient values. The overall code for this experiment is this one. You take a screenshot that will help you to do this. So first you need to import CV2. So don't means you I know that you are very familiar with that import cv2 statement, so you have to write that, and after that that image for which you want to detect the edges you have to import that, and for that you are going to use this imread function of cv2, that is cv2.imread followed by the path where the image is there. So my image is Majuli image, so that is in the Z drive and Kaziranga University folder. Okay, now after getting the input image, we'll apply the Canny edge detector. So for that, edge image is equal to cv2 dot Canny image comma 100 and 200. This 200 is the min val, or 200 is the max val. Okay, so our min val is 100 and max val is 200. So with this method, the edge will be detected and the edge detected image will be stored in the edge image. Now let's show our original image through the cv2 imshow function, and let's show our edge detected image with this detected edges edge image through imshow function. cv2 dot wait key 0. Okay, this is very important. Okay, then suppose I am writing this image with a different name, say Mazuli Ads, so that in future if I want to analyze these two images, we will have that ads detected image with us. Now open your Python spider id. Okay, so open this. So this is our spider id, and I have written the code as it is that I have just illustrated here. So these are the code: import cv2 image, this or everything I have just discussed. You just take a screenshot. Okay, that will help you to experiment the result. Okay, means go to the experiment. So let's execute this code. So I'm executing it. So the two images I have got is this one. So see, this is the original image you have seen, and this is the ads detected version. Okay, so that will help you to analyze the different regions in that image. That's why we go to the ads detection process, and it is one of the important step that we have to take for the image segmentation approaches. So I hope this lecture is helpful for you to go through the Canny ads detector process. And I have already asked the questions. I'm repeating it again, that tell me at least one important characteristics of Canny ads detector, and in through which method you can implement Canny ads detector in OpenCV. So comment your answer and don't skip the practical. Okay, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.